We just hit 9 years out here and we're replacing some batteries. So I finally got some hard numbers to go off of for a long-term cost analysis. So this is what it's all about. This is where it begins. Price points, you know, what's it going to cost me? Because that's about one of the most important things as far as I can tell. I'm going to go beyond $1 a watt. We're going to go like dollars per month, dollars per year. The good thing is that like we haven't babied our batteries, which I doubt you'll be able to either. In 2011, we bought 4 Sharp solar panels. They're each 240 watts a piece. We paid $1,600 for them delivered. And then we bought 8 Alpha Cell 110 amp hour batteries. It was like $1,800. We have gone through an inverter. It was a 1,000 watt pure sine wave inverter. But now we have, it's a 5K Ames modified sine wave inverter. And then our charge controller, we've already burnt one up. But when we went to replace that, we bought an Outback 80 amp charge controller. That thing's a boss. And then as far as miscellaneous stuff, we bought some hardware and then some aluminum to make some racking. You gotta have some heavy gauge wire running. And look for other videos coming. I'm gonna break down off-grid solar and just the basics of how that works and how to get set up. Hope it's useful for you. And hope you enjoy it.